Okay guys, let's unlock the daily combo of GMC dashboard. Click GMC Mine. Okay, we have Air Protection, UX Designer, and Gaming NFT. That is the combo today guys. Air Protection, this one. Click here, then get, okay, 1-0. So we need to unlock 2 more workers, then UX Designer. Get, okay, the last one is under special and available. I think this one, gaming NFT. So you need to send gift to your friends. Okay, so we need to wait more confirmation. See, okay, refresh it. Summary, then special. Why not taking so long? Okay, we just received the gaming NFT. Let's go back. Okay, we already unlocked guys the GMC combo.